Good evening, Owens. This video is not a video for learning purpose or what, or fruit for thought. I'm making this video just to applause. Yeah, to applause. To maybe I can say to flex. Yeah. Or to show some gratitude towards the skill. Yeah, because since when? Since from, let me check, from 3 July until date. Yeah, until to date, we've been following the price, right? And then we've been on the right side of a price. Basically, what I say is that every trade we took, it was straight wins, no losses or anything, right? So on our previous video, we did explain we had this breakout right here, a breakout, and then we only had a price until this level right here. We didn't have the price after this level. It was a blank or an open space. So we did explain how the price is going to behave on our levels, which was a data on a history data or our previous data. We took that previous data towards our advantage to work on the future price, on how the price is going to behave on the future. And guess what? The price did behave exactly how we predict it to behave. Because after this breakout, we did say that we're going to test this level and then have a retest on that level and then break even to the second level and then have a retest either on this level or on that level, right? Which this one was a spike whereby Trump was addressing the nation about the Fed chair Jerome Powell, right? And then we had that news where the market did all that aggressive movements, right? And then after that retest, we had a more break even to our last level, which we did predict that we might have a retest. Also, we have that opposing trend line, so that and then also we have this level which had a strong momentum to the upside of a market, which needs to be retested. And then after that, we will go to the upside of a market, right? Which market did exactly how we predicted. However, we are waiting to see how the price behave. Maybe we will break even further to the highest level of a market, whereby we did explain or emphasize that whenever we test level, you must enter your buys. Maybe your take profit will be there or you will hold. Depends on how you leverage your trades, right? And then also we did say even if we break even, we come to the second level, you must enter your buys. Whenever you see the candlesticks, the important candlestick or the candlesticks, the reversal candlesticks, right? Like if you can see in this level, we have a reversal candlestick, a pure reversal candlestick, and also here we have a pure reversal candlestick, and also even here, which signifies the strong movement sorry, pardon me, a strong movement to the upside of a market, right? So the reason why I feel like that candlestick, it is strong, pardon me, sorry, it is that you see on this level we had a retest on this level, right? This is our opposing trend line of this downtrend. We have this level right here, which is our engulfing, right? and then we had a retest, and then we had that impulsive move, and then we had that correction, and again we had that engulfing, and then we had a trend line. We have this downward trend line retest, we have this upward trend line retest, and then we have a reversal candle also being a what, our London opening level, right, which did convince us to put more buys in here, right? And then we move like that, and then again we are here in this level, which we have our opposing trend line, we have our engulfing candlestick, and then we have this what can I say, this is our strong demand level. This has turned to our strong demand level, reason being our market made a breakout on that level, and then immediately after breakout we had that retest, which caused an impulsive move to the upside of a market, right? And then we're having a retest on that level, which makes it what, makes it a double bottom. We have a double bottom, we have opposing trend line, a retest, and then we have an engulfing, which makes us to be more confident to put or to enter contracts of our buy contracts, right? Since when we did emphasize that even though our market moves sideways, but however we still on a uptrend, on an upward trend, as you can see on a weekly, like from where anywhere you can take your price from this level until we still what, on a upward trend line, right? We taking the buys are more strong than the sells. However, whenever you go to the lower time frames, you will find that we have things like change of character and all that, maybe, which signifies that we might go to the bearish side of a market. However, right now long term shows us that we are moving to the bull side, of a market. Our bull side, it is still strong, it is still holding the trends and all that, right? So but then maybe our price will still fluctuate on a one price, as you can see here on daily, since from 8 April 2025. That was our last candle did an impulsive move. After that, we never had a clear correction. Our market has been moving on a sideways direction, which we are not 100% sure what's going to happen with the price of gold. Are we going to reach more highs? Are we going for the more highs for the new records, or are we going to change the character of a bullish? Are we going bearish or what? We are still not 100% sure. The market is not clear enough to conclude on that one. However, yeah, that's what's happening right now. Currently we are still moving sideways. However, on a long term or a higher time frames, our market shows we are still in bullish. We are not yet break the change the characters and all that. We are still in bullish, right? Hence we say we are more confident to hold our buys, right? But then make sure whenever you hold your buy, you trail your stop loss inward in profits, so that you can avoid the disappointments and all that, right? Yeah, so that's what we wanted to share. Like today we don't have much a lesson to share, but then yeah, we just wanted to acknowledge our setup and everything. Yeah, I hope that our videos they do change a lot your trading skill and everything. You do learn from our videos. Hopefully we'll keep on making more videos and posting more and keep you updated with everything. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is Naughty Market. And then yeah, I think we are done for the day today. Let's wait for the market to open, which in this in the next what, I think plus or minus 2-3 hours, the market will be open, and then we'll see how it behaves. Yeah. Thank you guys, thank you for tuning in. I'm signing out.